With our Come Hell or High Water series, it's actually barrels that we send out on local fishing vessels. Those go out on boats and are weathered. You can tell the difference between these barrels and these barrels. We like to send them out as long as possible.
In the water?
No, not in the water. So these are going to be on top of the boats, rocking. And what we really want is the motion of the boat, continuously moving these barrels.
Thank you so much for having me here at Pilot House. I am thrilled to see what you guys do. This is all brand new to me.
Okay.
So I'm going to be a sponge. I'm going to soak it all in. Tell me what you do here.
Well, we are a distillery. We take fermented mash and distill it. We also do all the production here. We bottle, cork, seal, label, and send things out of this location right here.
So what kind of spirits do you make here?
We make a little bit of everything. We start with a lot of vodkas, lots of different flavored vodkas. We have 3 different types of gin. Lots of barrel-aged whiskeys. We have an absinthe and a coffee liqueur as well.
Why Pilot House here in Astoria? What's the connection?
So the Pilot House is actually where the bar pilots, which is one of our brand names as well, would stay. The Columbia River Bar is one of the most dangerous places in town, so we wanted to connect to the sense of that danger and wildness in our spirits as well. So we're just going to open this up with a couple taps. So what we're going to do is take our wine thief, wait for it to fill. There you go.
That is a beautiful amber color. Whoa, I'm awake.
Yeah. And that's at barrel proof too, so this is before we've proofed it down. Which I really like because it's got that more condensed flavor.
Oh my gosh, and it smells amazing too. Wow. All right, where are we off to?
So after we're done with back here, basically we hand it off to Ben in the front, and he takes over and does a great job with our tasting rooms.
All right, Ben, I'm excited to be behind the bar with you.
It's great to have you back here.
And you've got a couple of really fun cocktails you're going to show me.
The first drink we're going to make is called a Pearly Sting. It's a fun riff on a like a bee's knees in a French 75 using our Painted Lady floral botanical gin and our absinthe. Second drink, just for fun, kind of a desserty drink. It's going to be called a key lime pie. So just using our vodka, fresh lime juice, things like that. So nice and tasty.
Well, they both sound delicious. All right, where are we going to start?
Let's get started. We'll start with the Pearly Sting. We'll get some ice here. Yeah, so we'll start with the Painted Lady gin as the base for this one. That's our floral botanical style of gin. We use some fresh lavender, cucumber, fresh lemon, chamomile, all when we make that and some of the botanicals. It's delicious. So we'll start with about an ounce of that. And then we'll add a little bit of about a 1/4 ounce or about a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. I better measure this one. And about a 1/2 ounce of honey simple syrup, which you can make at home. I have this one here.
Yeah, I definitely get the bee's knees reference here.
Yeah, and a little bit of absinthe. Now the absinthe edition, that's kind of the riff that makes it the Pearly Sting rather than a bee's knees.
Oh, wow.
So about a 1/4 ounce of
Tell me about absinthe.
Now absinthe is made sort of like gin, just using different botanicals. So instead of juniper, it's made first with anise, fennel, and wormwood, and then we infuse it with a few herbs after that, peppermint, hyssop, and that's more for the color, to add this green color. So we'll give this a shake.
Oh, that looks refreshing.
Yeah,
I can't
but
wait.
now to make it kind of the riff on the French 75, we'll top it with fresh Prosecco. So add some bubbles to it.
Yeah, so a nice little Italian sparkling wine.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
I'll do a little lemon garnish.
That is
And there we
gorgeous.
go.
Oh, wow. Oh, how fun. Oh, that smells amazing too. That's refreshing.
Good, yeah.
That is delicious.
Good, thank you.
And I love the honey. The honey's coming
right.
through, and I can taste a little bit of the anise.
Yep.
I actually can taste that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just a little bit though, so it's not too overpowering.
No.
It kind of plays well with the other ingredients.
It's beautiful. All right, I'm excited. What else do you have?
Well, this next cocktail, it's called a key lime pie. It's just much more of like a playful, fun, desserty style drink. It will just use our classic vodka as a really nice base to build it, then fresh lime juice, vanilla, all that. So let's just get to making it for you, right? What we'll start with is we'll rim the glass in graham crackers. So first, I have some white chocolate syrup here. So I'll kind of dip the rim in that, make it nice and sticky. And then I broke up some graham crackers. You can see next to it here. So we'll kind of like the crust on the key lime pie, right?
That's beautiful.
All right, so we do that first before we get the drink in there. Now we'll start with about 2 ounces of the vodka. And then we'll do an ounce of pineapple juice.
Okay, that's interesting. Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice works pretty well with it. Let's see, a little bit of a vanilla simple syrup. You could also use a vanilla vodka. We just have regular vodka, so I'd rather use it with vanilla simple syrup.
But you could go either way if you're trying to replicate this.
At home,
Okay.
And then just kind of top that with some coconut cream.
Oh wow, yeah,
And
this
we'll
is
we'll give that a shake.
this is going to be all the things. That's
Yes.
going to be delicious.
Just strain it right into our already rimmed glass. That use of pineapple juice makes it nice and kind of gives it a foamy texture on the top. And
Wow.
here I've got a lime garnish as well. Put a nice little lime wheel on there. And help yourself
Oh my
whenever you're
gosh.
ready.
Oh wow. I love that. I can smell it before it ever gets close to my mouth. I love that. Ooh, and the graham crackers.
Right, yeah. It's much more in the desserty realm.
Oh my gosh.
Like there's your dessert right there.
Dessert in a glass. It really is. But not in an overly sweet way.
Right.
That is delicious.
Nice and balanced out.
Wow, I love that. All right, I know that Astoria has some really great food businesses, and I know this is from Gaetano's Market and Deli, and they're one of your neighbors.
Yeah, they do such a good job here in town. Pairing kind of more of a savory drink to go with their kind of meat and cheese charcuterie board here.
I love that. Yeah, this smells crazy good. I can't wait to dig into that, but then I can't take my eyes off of this. So this is another local wonderful business. This is Gathered Bakeshop.
Yeah, just up here around the corner from us. I've been here a couple of years.
Wow.
They do such a good job, especially with desserts.
So obviously this lemon tart would pair beautifully with the key lime pie cocktail.
Yeah.
Let's dig in.
Cheers.
Cheers. This has got my name on it. I have to start here. That is beautiful. That goes beautifully with this. Oh my gosh. All right. Would you like to get in on this action? Oh my gosh. This is delicious. I could make a meal just out of this. Yes. Well, Ben, Justin, this was not only informative, but incredibly fun. Thank you so much for giving me the behind the scenes and wining and dining me. This was such a treat.
Thank you.
Well, thank you. Yeah, thanks for stopping in.
Cheers.
All right, cheers.